Hi students of class 3. Today we will do the subtraction chapter exercise 5b question number 2 we will do today. So let us see what are the sums we are doing it in the CW and what are the sums we are doing it for the HW. So let's start the class. Get ready with the math CW copy and the book and a pencil in your hand. Let's start the class. Okay, we are doing question number 2, A, C, E and F for the CW work, and the rest for sum B, D, G will be your homework. Okay, so let's start the CW work. A, subtract 88,125 from 21,15,518. Let's do it. We all know that the from number, that is the greater number, we write first. Then below we write the smaller number in subtraction. The writing will be like this. Now, 8 minus 5 is 3. 1 minus 2 we can't do, so we will borrow one digit from here. Now, 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, 5 minus 8 we can't do, so we are borrowing one digit. Now, 15 minus 8 is 7. Next, 0 minus 8 we can't do, so we are borrowing one digit from the previous place. Now, 10 minus 8 is 2. This is our answer. The answer we will write, the difference is 20,27,393. Next, number C. Which is greater and by how much? 7,08,153 or 7,28,263. Which one is greater? That we have to write. Number C. Now, among the two numbers, the greater number is the greater number equals to 7,28,263. And by how much this number is greater? For that, we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Like this we have to write. The greater number is on the top and the smaller number is written below. Now let us do the subtraction. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So, our answer we will write 7,28,263 is greater by 20,110. Number E. By how much is 84,846 less than 1,42,404? We have to subtract this smaller number from this larger number to get the answer. Let's see how we are doing it. Now, we will write like this. 4 minus 6 we can't do, but here is 0, so we can't borrow one digit from here. We will move another digit. That means from 4 we will borrow 1. Now 14 minus 6 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 3 minus 8 again we can't do, so we will borrow. Now 13 minus 8 is 5, 1 minus 4 we can't do, again we will borrow. 11 minus 4 we can do, it is 7. 3 minus 8 we can't do, so we are borrowing. 13 minus 8 is 5. So our answer is 84,846 is less than 1,42,404 by 57,558. I think the sum is clear. Now the last sum of today. F. How much should be added to Atto to get Atto? How much should be added to 3,22,218 to get 5,16,102? So we will subtract this smaller number from this greater number to get the answer. Let's see how we are doing it. 5,16,102 minus 3,22,218. Now let us do the subtraction. Again we can't subtract, so from here we can't borrow. We will borrow it from here like this. 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 0 minus 2 again we can't do, so we are borrowing. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 2 we can't do, so 11 minus 2 is 9. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer we will write 1,93,884 is added to 3,22,218 to get 5,16,102. So these are the CW work of today. Now today's HW work is exercise 5B, question number 2. B, D and G. You will do this sum in the math CW copy after doing the CW work. Okay, now after finishing the CW and the HW work, please send me the work at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Everyone, stay happy, stay healthy, stay at home, finish your work on time, and bye-bye.